Now back here at home, a devastating blow to the LA Sheriff's Department, a scandal involving abuse, lies, and cover-ups.
And CBS 2's Jeff Nguyen is live in downtown LA, where ex-Sheriff Lee Baca was found guilty on corruption charges. Jeff?
Rick and Pat, prosecutors got their biggest win today in their case against abuse and corruption at the LA County jails. Today, former Sheriff Lee Baca was convicted on all of the counts against him. This afternoon, former LA County Sheriff Lee Baca walked out of court with his wife and his lawyers as a convict. Federal prosecutors got him on all 3 counts: obstruction of justice, conspiracy to obstruct justice, and making false statements or lying. Baca's voice cracked as he thanked his wife, his lawyers, and his supporters.
I want to also say that I appreciate the jury system. However, I disagree with this particular verdict. Now, you've known me for a long time. I am a faith-based person. My mentality is always optimistic, and I look forward to winning on appeal.
The case stems from a 2011 incident in which 2 sheriff's investigators confronted an FBI agent during an investigation into abuse at the LA County jail system. 9 members of the department were convicted in a series of abuse and corruption cases. One of them, Baca's former number 2, Paul Tanaka. This was the second trial against Baca. The first ended in a mistrial.
I think one thing that helped this time was that we had some deputies who came forward and admitted their conduct and took responsibility for their actions. And to then have somebody in the form of Mr. Baca, the defendant here, who had not taken responsibilities for his actions and instead had lied about his actions.
This afternoon, the jury foreman talked about the decision.
But we also felt at times that he was trying to protect his empire, if you will, what he worked so hard to attain.
The former sheriff denied he had advanced knowledge of anything illegal. He also read a short statement and refused to take questions after court.
I love the people of Los Angeles County. I love the United States of America, and I love diversity, and it's just a privilege to be alive. And that's how I feel, and I feel good. Thank you.
This verdict sends a clear message that no one is above the law.
And as you heard in that piece, Lee Baca plans to appeal the verdict. The judge has ordered him back to court on Monday so that he can set a date for sentencing. So at this point, Lee Baca faces a maximum of 20 years in federal prison. Now back to you.